basket to buy anything from here. There is a cube sugar and there is a milk and there is cookies and strawberry flavor milk. And this is a telephone to talk with somebody. And this is a capsicum and this is a potato and these are grapes and this is a pear and these are corns. I love corns. I like to buy a corn and a milk. And let's get to the cash register. And now you need to bill these and number them. Okay? And the corn also. Then when it's done, you can put in same bucket and give your order and pay money or card first. First pay your card, then give some money. You can put these money here. Okay? And take the card and bill it. And done. Bye bye. Like and share and subscribe. Hope you enjoy.